What's up, Glam Squad? It's Glamorous TT here, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to do this affordable hack. Okay, you guys? As you guys know, they do have a Louise base. It's very expensive and it's hard to ship to the US. I use this as my little hack. Okay, you guys? As you can see, I'm using the NYX base, which I think is about $4 to $7, depending if you buy it on Amazon or the actual NYX store. And I also have some pigments that I got from Mayo Pigments, and I'm just basically mixing those two together so I can get my perfect base. Okay, guys, look at this color. The more you want it to pop, the more pigment you add, you guys, and it's not drying at all. It's not drying. It's very like creamy consistency. It depends on you. You can add more base or you can add more pigment. So moving on to the look that I'm doing today, you guys, I'm doing a cool galaxy look. Okay, you guys, I saw this on Instagram, and lately I've been inspired by Instagram makeup. Like, it's been really catching my eye, you guys. So if you see more videos of me doing like creative looks, I got them from Instagram. You guys, always remember to blend. Okay, you guys, you can pack on that color as much as you want, but you also want to remain blending. Okay, don't try to pack on that color and forget blending, because you're gonna look a hot mess. Trust me, I used to do this back in the day, and if you would have told me about blending, I would have told you what. But you know, you just gotta trust in the process and believe, you know, that is gonna come out good. And the thing with makeup, especially eye looks and creative looks, it's art. So it's not gonna be perfect. If you make a mistake, you can also fix it. And sometimes when you make your mistakes, it actually makes it unique. So using my hack, I'm gonna be blending the base with a light baby blue color. I know on the camera you can't really see it that well. It's coming off as white, but it's extremely baby blue. Okay, guys, and I'm using this to cut my crease. With my crease, you guys, I love to go over it because I have hooded eyes, so I want to give that illusion as if my eyes are way bigger than it actually is. I also was indecisive on whether I wanted to do a half cut crease or a full, but I did go in with the full. I didn't show you guys the glitter I mixed about like 4 different colors. I believe it was like a iridescent white, purple, pink, and a little bit of blue. I wanted to give that galaxy look. And also, guys, comment down below which of these things you do first. Do you put on the glitter first and then your eyeliner, or you put on your eyeliner and then the glitter? Let me know in the comments below. The main reason I asked that is because whenever I put on my glitter before I put on my eyeliner, it does come out gritty. So I wanted to know, is it better to put on my eyeliner first, or is it, what's the best option? Using the same NYX base, I'm using that to create stars. Okay guys, this is very optional. You don't have to create stars, you can leave it just as is, but I always want to make this eye pop. Okay guys, with the pink eyeliner, I just wanted something that was very cute and subtle. I thought pink would be the perfect color. I didn't want to put white because I already have the stars, so I just wanted to add a bit of color. I know in the galaxy it has purple, blue, and some pictures even have pink, so I just wanted it to situate all the colors. Like I said, you guys, this is a very different look. I know you guys are thinking, is that paint? No, it's not paint. I wanted to use all makeup for this look. I do have face paint, but I just wanted to use strictly makeup. I grabbed my lightest shade in my foundation kit, and I said, okay, I'm gonna use this as my base. Then I started to just basically pack on some colors, you guys. You can make your galaxy however you want it. I wanted to make it, blues, pink. I added a little bit of yellow. I just added all type of colors, and it came out really beautiful. Once I added the stars, I moved on to my foundation, you guys. And with this, I was so happy because I didn't have to do my whole face. But other than that, what was very hard and very tricky was trying to get that drippy effect. So I did mix my foundation with a little bit of oil. I think next time I'm gonna use some glue with some foundation and probably mix it up and see if it can give me that dripping effect without dripping all the way off of my face, you guys. But other than that, I'm just gonna conceal my face. I did not contour anything because I already have this look going, and I didn't want to go for that edgy contour look, so I didn't contour at all. I just put on some highlight, powdered my face, and I was good to go. So you guys, I always have to go in with that extra pop, so I did grab this neon pigment, the color pink. It comes off as a pink peachy bright color, but it's very, very bright, and I decided to put that in my lower lash line. And Glam Squad, I did not forget about the inner corner. I had to put a little touch of glam. After I'm done with that, I'm gonna just be doing some finishing touches. I also wanted to tell you guys, go check out Mile Pigments. They're the bomb, okay? You have to check them out. Their pigments are affordable and it's good. As you can see, I'm trying to get picture ready, so I had to pick out the fro. But other than that, you guys, I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Like, comment, and subscribe. And comment down below what you would like to see next.